Hi, in today's video I want to feature this old relic from the past. It is a 2-burner Coleman 414. You may have memories with your dad or your grandfather on camping trips, and maybe you came across this stove and want to take this on your camping adventures. You tried getting this going, you light the first burner, great. The second burner, it's not lighting, and you're confused because before your dad or grandfather could light this with ease. So today I'm going to show you the special feature on lighting the second burner. So let's get lighting. Yeah, these stoves are great to use, especially once you learn how to light them. So we're just going to do a quick review on the first burner, how to get it going. So all it is it runs on the white gas or camp fuel. That's what this runs on. And you fill it right here. There's a little cap here. This here comes apart, and then you can fill it, and then you put it back into the burner hole here with these little tabs here. So now we're going to get this going. So what you do is there's a primer, and you turn this one time, and then there's a hole that you got to cover, and we're going to pump it. So this is what you do. Usually about 30 times is recommended. I already have this stove going, so I don't have to do the whole 30. And then we turn it back. Make sure that's tight. And then there's a lighting lever here that we got to turn up. Now, if you don't know about this lighting lever, this will also have you confused on why it's not lighting. So now we just turn this on. You can hear the gas. Okay. Bring it up. Now what you're going to do is after it's lit, you're going to prime it just a little bit more. So do the one turn again, keep that hole covered. Just give some more pressure in the tank, get that going. Turn it back. And you're going to leave this on for about a minute, the lighting lever. Now, I already have this going already, so I don't have to wait the 1 minute. So we're going to turn this down. Now what you're going to be looking for is more of a blue flame than the orange flame. So now that we got this first burner lit, we're going to move on to lighting the second burner. So now that we have this first burner going, I'm going to show you the secret that you need to light the second burner, and what it is this little key right here. If you don't know about it, then that's where you're going to get confused. So what you do is you turn it, okay, and some stoves even show you the key, but if you don't know what that is. So now that we have that on, this is so easy to light. So now this is lit. Now, a side note, the second burner doesn't burn as hot as the first one. So if you need more heat, then the first burner is going to be your primary. So this is how you light the second burner. And now, we can put some bacon on for breakfast. So that's how you light the second burner, and I'm gonna come back to finalize this video. So that's how easy it is to get these stoves going once you know how to do the secret key for the second burner. And I just wanted to say a side note, the key determines the heat level also. So up or down will depend on high or low. And to turn it off, all you do is turn it clockwise, and this will turn it off. Now we're off. And now we're putting more heat to the first burner. And let's check on the bacon. Nicely done. Nice bacon. And as you can see, my water is steaming. Doesn't take long to get this going, so we're going to turn this off. Turn this all the way to the off position. And now we have some nice water. And it is a perfect stove for camping, as long as you know how to use it and get it going.
So anyways guys, I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't already, make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button for more outdoor videos, and also to support our channel. And also make sure to stay tuned for more outdoor videos coming out, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!